Killary Harbour is just over 3 hours' drive from Dublin. Close to the village of Leenan is the Killary Fjord Boat Tours, which provides a 90-minute cruise up the fjord on a catamaran, carrying approximately 125 passengers. The fjord is roughly 16 kilometres long and in places 45 metres deep. On the northern side the shoreline is steeper and Mualry can be found, the highest mountain in Connacht. The hamlet of Rossrow can be seen on the southern side near the mouth of the fjord. Nearby, the philosopher Ludwig Wittgenstein stayed after World War II to work on his writing. Clams and mussels are grown in the harbour and sold locally. The fjord also provides shelter from the Atlantic for dolphins, otters, seals and sharks. The seals feed on salmon and trout found in the harbour. The Ann village provided some of the backdrops to the Irish drama The Field, directed by Jim Sheridan in 1990. During the summer there are 4 tours daily, dropping to 2 tours daily in the autumn and spring. So check out the tour website for times and prices. We have more on the way, so please subscribe to this channel and check out the link below if you'd consider becoming a patron to help us keep making more content. Thanks for watching.